Dear students, today we are going to solve the examples from the exercise 5.2, that is integration by substitution. So let us see the type number 2, which contains 5 examples of that exercise. So today we will solve some examples out of these 5 examples. So let us see now. Now see, evaluate the integration 1 plus x upon x plus e raised to minus x dx. Now substitution method is applicable whenever the function contains the term and its derivative. So you must observe f of x and f dash x also in that given function. Then only you can use the substitution method. But here in this type number 2, you will not able to see the f of x and f dash x separately. First of all, you have to modify this 1 plus x upon x plus e raised to minus x so that the function becomes in the form of f of x and its derivative. Okay, so first of all modify this. So in answer, first of all I will take I is equal to integration 1 plus x upon x plus e raised to minus x dx. Now if I multiply both the numerator and denominator by e raised to x, so multiply numerator and denominator by e raised to x, then what will you get? See here, next step. So we will get e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x upon, here to the denominator we get x into e raised to x plus 1. Now we get this form after this adjustment. Now if you observe this carefully, after this multiplication by e raised to x, just if you observe, then if you take the derivative of suppose x into e raised to x plus 1, then what is the derivative of x into e raised to x plus 1? See, to get the derivative of x into e raised to x, we have to use u into v rule. So x as it is into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 1 is 0. So see here carefully, derivative of x into e raised to x plus 1, we get x into e raised to x plus e raised to x. Now if you take e raised to x common here, then you will get x plus 1. Now observe the integration that you are going to evaluate. Here the denominator is x into e raised to x plus 1 and its derivative is e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x. So the given integration, after this observation, given integration is in the form of, see, it is in the form of f dash x upon f of x. Okay, denominator is f of x, x into e raised to x plus 1, and its derivative is there in the numerator. And by corollary, we know that integration of f dash x upon f of x is equal to log of modulus of f of x plus constant. So hence, just by adjusting the given integration, given function, we get f dash x upon f of x form. So now the integration becomes, so value of the integration is equal to log of modulus of x into e raised to x plus 1 plus constant. So in this type, first of all we have to adjust the given integration in the required form, and then we can apply the substitution method or corollary related to the substitution method. So this is the type number 2. In type number 1, we observe direct f of x and f dash x. But in this case, after multiplication of numerator and denominator by e raised to x, we get f dash x upon f of x form, and then we apply the result to get the integration as log of modulus of x into e raised to x plus 1 plus constant. Okay. Now another example is, we have to integrate bracket x plus 1 into x plus 2 raised to 7 into x plus 3 dx. Now if you observe this term, there is x plus 2 raised to 7. So it is just a complicated term. So to use the method of substitution, first of all we will adjust this integration as, see here, I will adjust like this. This x plus 1 can be written as x plus 2 minus 1. Okay, so for substitution we need this step. See this carefully. X plus 2 raised to 7 as it is, and this x plus 3 can be expressed as x plus 2 plus 1. Because after this adjustment I will put x plus 2 is equal to t. I will put x plus 2 is equal to t. So after this substitution you will get the required simplification. Now if you put x plus 2 is equal to t, then by taking the derivative we get 1 dx is equal to dt, because the derivative of x plus 2 is 1. So 1 dx is equal to dt. Now after this substitution what will you get? We get, now in place of x plus 2 I will put t. So we get, first bracket becomes t minus 1, then next is t raised to 7 into, we get t plus 1 dt. Okay, so given integration we reduce in the form of t minus 1 into t raised to 7 into t plus 1 dt, like this. So here we need the adjustment of the bracket. We express x plus 1 as x plus 2 minus 1, and we express x plus 3 as x plus 2 plus 1, because x plus 2 raised to 7 is the term, that is the complicated term. So we have to substitute x plus 2 is equal to t, so that it will get simplified. Now see this expression. Now in this expression we get t minus 1 into t plus 1. So it becomes, by algebraic rule, t minus 1 into t plus 1 means t square minus 1, a square minus b square rule, into t raised to 7 as it is, into dt. Now to evaluate this integration, first of all I will multiply this bracket. So we get, next step, so integration multiply by t raised to 7. So t raised to 7 into t raised to 2, it is t raised to 9, minus t raised to 7 into 1 is t raised to 7 dt. So now we have to evaluate the integration of t raised to 9 minus t raised to 7. Now integration of t raised to 9 is t raised to 10 upon 10, minus integration of t raised to 7 will be t raised to 8 upon 8 plus constant. So this is the answer of the integration. Now resubstitute. So after resubstituting t as x plus 2, we get x plus 2 raised to 10 upon 10 minus x plus 2 raised to 8 upon 8 plus constant. So see the substitution method, but before substitution we have to modify x plus 1 and x plus 3 as x plus 2 minus 1 and x plus 2 plus 1 respectively. So in type number 2, first of all we need to adjust the given integration for the substitution method. Okay, now next one is, we have to evaluate the integration of x raised to 5 upon x square plus 1. Now here in this case, if I put x square plus 1 is equal to t, then what will you get? You will get 2x dx is equal to dt. So whenever there is x square, we need x. So we have to adjust this as per the requirement in the substitution. We will adjust the index like this. See here, I will express x raised to 5 as x square bracket square, x square bracket square into x, okay, dx. See, x square square means x raised to 4 into x means x raised to 5 upon the denominator is x square plus 1, because if there is a x square then we need x. Now after this adjustment I will put x square plus 1 is equal to t. Now if I put x square plus 1 is equal to t, then you will get 2x dx is equal to dt. Derivative of x square is 2x plus 1, derivative is 0. So we get 2x dx is equal to dt. That means we will replace x dx as 1 upon 2 times dt. Okay. Now what happens here? I will change the integration. So integration becomes, now in place of, see the numerator, it is x square raised to 2, but the substitution is x square plus 1 is equal to t. So what is x square? X square will be t minus 1. So t minus 1 bracket square into x dx can be replaced as 1 by 2 times dt. I will write it in next part, divided by x square plus 1 means t into x dx means 1 by 2 times dt. Okay, so we get this step. See this carefully after the substitution. Now to evaluate the integration, you take 1 by 2 outside of the integration. Now we have to evaluate the integration of t minus 1 bracket square upon t. Now expand this. So t square minus 2t plus 1 upon t dt. To integrate this, expand t minus 1 bracket square so that it will get into the simplified form. So now 1 by 2 as it is. Now to evaluate the integration, take the separate denominator. So t square upon t is t minus 2t upon t means minus 2 plus it is 1 upon t. By separating the denominator we get this term. Now evaluate the integration. So 1 by 2 into curly bracket, we have to evaluate the integration of t minus 2 as it is into integration of 1 dt plus evaluate the integration of 1 upon t dt. Take the integration of separate term like this. So now 1 by 2 as it is into curly bracket, integration of t is t square upon 2 minus 2 as it is into integration of 1 is t. Next integration of 1 upon t, that is log of modulus of t plus constant. So integration is completed. So we get 1 by 2 into bracket. Now resubstitute value of t here. Value of t is x square plus 1. So x square plus 1 square upon 2 minus 2 times x square plus 1 plus log of modulus of x square plus 1, curly bracket is completed, plus constant. So this is the answer after this resubstitution. So see here also we need the adjustment, because there is a x raised to 5 upon x square plus 1. If you put x square plus 1 is equal to t, then we require x, because the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x dx is equal to dt. So we need x there. So that's why we adjust the index x raised to 5 as, adjust the term x raised to 5 as x square bracket square into x dx. Okay. So try to solve such type of questions from the exercise 5.2. Remaining 2 questions we will solve in next lecture. Okay. Thank you.